Yan. Yan.
Hello guys.
Yan.
This is pregnant cat, sa? This is pregnant? Oh. Look at you. It's a pregnant, a flea.
Yeah, I know. Pregnant.
Oh. It's very big, the stomach.
Ready? Yeah.
Maybe tomorrow is give birth.
No, not tomorrow.
Eating. Yan guys. It's a pregnant cat. Oh. This is daughter. And then again is pregnant, quickly pregnant. Oh. Eating. Ayan guys, oh. Cat is eating. Come! Meow! Ming Ming! Ay, Ming Ming! Why you don't like the food? She don't like the food. See, look, the stomach is pregnant. Preggy. Oh. Ayan siya guys. Ayan siya. It's big stomach. Thank you for watching. Ayan guys, ang pusa. Pregnant siya.